Hello, Mr. Cosmo. I have a couple questions to ask you. Kick your legs if you love your mom. Kick your legs if you have the prettiest mom in the world. You better kick those legs. You better kick those legs. Kick your leg if you have the smartest dad in the world. Hey, baby. Say hi.